Good morning, guys. It's Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking it. Thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. For the new subscribers, welcome to my world. Well, today's video, welcome to my mini kitchen. Actually, this is a mini area where we put a microwave here. So this house has a spot where you can put your microwave here. There's other microwaves on the other kitchen, but this is a special little tiny kitchen section area where I usually put my mini microwave here. When people are not using the main microwave, they can come here and use this mini microwave here. So today I had to take that microwave away a little bit so that I can display. Make it display? Yes, I can display this system here. This is a Ninja Deluxe kitchen system. This Ninja Deluxe kitchen system is a system that we use to make all these smoothies. Or if you love to drink smoothies, if you love to make yogurt, if you love to bake, actually, mandazi, chapati, people love to cook all kinds of baking. I'm telling you, all the dough you can knead your dough using all this system. So today we are going to make smoothie, but I'm going to explain a little bit how these systems work. So this is the main motor, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can see, guys. This is the main motor. It has things like a silicone here that it sticks. Let me see. See? This is the machine. Without this machine, you can not enjoy your smoothie, you cannot enjoy your yogurt, you can not enjoy your cookies that you love, your mandazi, because you have to turn on this motor for it to work. So the thing is, it has this thing here that you put to the wall there, the outlet, so that it can, start working. And has the sticky things here. I think it's the silicone things here. So these things, when you put them on this marble thing here, it sticks. So let me put it here. Yeah, now it cannot fall because it's heavy. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you what we are going to do. So like today, I am going to make smoothie. So we have these two little cups here. These are called single serving cups. So let's say you have a family that don't like, some of them, they don't want smoothie, or maybe 2 people or 3 people want smoothie and they want different types of fruits. You can use a single serving. So this can be one person, this can be another person. So this service, single serving, it's for not much, it's for less smoothie. Okay. That's why it's called a single serving smoothie. So but you cannot blend it like this without this shredder here. It has this shredder. It's a top that has sharp knives here. So whenever you want to blend, all you have to do is to put your fruits in here, whatever, grapes, whatever, strawberry, whatever you want, pears in here, and then you add a little bit of water if you want to, and then, or you can put your juice, you can put your milk, whatever you are going to blend, and then you remove this top, because this top is basically for drinking, because after you're done, you can just cover it and drink. But what you're going to do, you're going to put whatever fruits you want here. I'm going to be showing you how to do this later, but for now, I'm going to use another way. So you can do this, and this shredder is going to shred your thing, your fruits in here. You have to lock it in here in the motor, twist it so you hear the click, and then it's going to start, making your smoothie. So this is the meaning of these 2 cups here. Okay. So but I will show you how it works maybe in the next video. So this one here, it's called a dough processor. This is a dough processor. This is a little bit bigger, not small though, but this is where you are going to process your dough. You're baking your cookies, you're baking your mandazi, you're baking your chapati, whatever you are going to bake. This thing is going to help you instead of you kneading the dough with your hands and sweating. But this thing is going to help you. But this thing has some components. This thing right here, it's going to be turning around. It's sharp, but not that sharp, because it's kneading the dough. So you are going to put it in here, and it's going to be turning around. So your dough is going to be All right. Okay, so you're not going to sweat anymore. So whenever I'm going to cook my mandazi, I am going to show you how I'm using this kneading. Probably this weekend I'm going to cook mandazi. Okay, so and in here it has a shredder. If you're chopping your kales, like I have kales in my backyard, I can chop kales here, I can chop carrots here, I can chop anything that I want in here. How it works is that you open this thing here, you twist. I'll be showing you, and there's a shredder here. Yeah, and you put your things up here, they shred it, and your kales and everything they shred in here. And you have, I'm going to be showing you though, but today I wanted to show you one thing. So let's leave this one aside, but I wanted to show you how the system, how many components that it has. So we're going to leave this one aside. This is another lid for drinking. So this has like two lids. So we are going to focus on this motor, and we are going to focus on this. This is called a pitcher. It's called a what? A pitcher. And the thing is, this thing, if I forget something, it comes with a manual. This is your best friend. This manual actually has even some ingredients there. If you want to copy here and cook whatever they have, you can literally look through here if you forget, you know, if you forget anything. So I'm going to be using this book to cook some of to cook or make some of the smoothies from here, even yogurt from here. So this is called, let me show, this is actually called, oh, it's a crushing pitcher. So this is, you see the good thing of this book, I bought this system because, but I've not used it so much because I'm so busy. Sometimes you need time, you know, to fix it. But because it's summer, it's hot, this is a time that I bring this machine out here because we are using it more and more. So, and this quick guide here, study guide, it's helping me a lot to learn about this, all these things, how they work. They explain to you here everything. But now we are going to use this big machine that is called this one here. It's called the crushing pitcher. It's called the crushing pitcher because this is where we're going to crush our pears, we're going to crush our grapes, we are going to crush our strawberry, all kinds of fruits, even ice. If you want to make your smoothie really look cold and whatever, this thing can crush ice. The way these things works here, let me move this one. I hope you guys, I don't okay, because I'm moving this here because it's tall, I don't want it to hit this thing here. So let me go ahead and open. You push here if you want to open. It has somewhere you push, you release this, and it opens. Ooh, this is a lid, okay, to cover this picture right here. And I like it that it's clear, that you can see what's actually in here. In here, it has a blade. This is a blade. I'm telling you guys, this blade is sharp. So they warn you. They have a container where after finishing, make sure you rinse it and you put into that container. It can crush you. So you be careful. But in here, this is where we put our crushing thing here, and it rotates when it's on. So when it's on, it rotates and it's crushing all those eyes, it's crushing the pears and everything. So you understand how it works. So I'll be showing you that. So this is actually, today I'm going to make a smoothie. It's going to be a pear smoothie. Let me show you what I'm going to make. So today, now this is my kitchen, the other area. So these pears are from my backyard. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you my backyard and the pears. So these pears, I got them from my backyard. I'm going to peel these pears and we are going to throw everything in here. Let me show you what else I'm going to mix, okay? Guys, I'm here. We are going to mix our grapes. So it's going to be a pear smoothie, grapes, mango. We have mango. Let me show you a little bit. Guys, we have mango. We have mango over here. And also, we have banana. We have avocado. We have strawberry. All this is going in the pitcher, okay? This is the smoothie we are going to have. So what I'm going to show you, let me hook my pitcher here. First, before I put it here, let me put it to the wall, the outlet here, so you can see how it turns on. You see, it's on. You turn it on like that, so it's going to show you what you are going to cook. So I'm going to put my picture right here and make sure it locks, it clicks. Okay, so we're going to make sure our ninja clicks. Did you hear? That means it's clicked. You turn it on, and this mother here, you are going to turn it on. It's going to tell you what you want to actually cook. Okay, let me peel my pears. So we are going to put our strawberry in here. Strawberry goes in there. Our banana goes in there. We're going to peel our banana, guys, and we're going to put our banana here. I'm going to put 2 bananas because I love bananas as well. But the main fruits here, they are pears. So we're going to put our banana in here. So let me put this in trash. Let me get a knife to chop. So we have a knife here. We are going, actually this a mango, you don't have to remove the peel. Some people do, but for me I don't, because this machine, it's crazy. It's gonna crush everything. I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to do this, cut it in a small pieces if you want to, and just put it in there, you know, like that. Okay, so yeah, cut it, put it in there, cut it more. We put our mango. Yeah, and don't forget avocado. Some people don't like to put avocado, but for me, I love avocado. Okay, let me peel my pears so we can put the pears in here. Give me a second. All right, guys, let's put our avocado in there. I want to put just a half avocado in there because I love the smell of avocado and the benefits of it. So another thing I'm going to put, guys, we have some grapes here. We're going to drop a little bit of grapes in here because I enjoy grapes as well. Not much, but I love grapes. Now, our main ingredients, our own from our backyard, pears. Finally, we chopped our organic pears. We are going to put our organic pears here. Woo! And they're ripe. And the smell, the aroma. Do you call it aroma or smell? They smell really good, guys. Yeah, look at that mixture. Look at the mixture. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a little bit of water in here because we are going to blend. So let's see. We're adding maybe a little bit because I don't want my smoothie to be watery. I want it to be a little bit heavy. So this water actually is enough. I don't want to put out a lot of water, but that's enough for me today. Let me just a little bit of water. That's good. So what we're going to do, we are going to cover this thing up. The way I told you, make sure it's sitting in there. And then you press this thing here backwards to lock. You see, it's locked in here. When it's locked, you turn it on. And then over here, it has this merry-go-round. I call it the merry-go-round. It's a smoothie. You can frozen smoothie. It can be high, it can be low. So right now, I just want to blend smoothie. So you are going to blend smoothie for 55 seconds, as you can see. So all I have to do is to press this wheel here, and it's going to be loud, okay? Subscribe! I'm sorry. Don't worry. When it's done, guys. So because myself, I want my smoothie to be really smooth. I don't want to be seeing all these little tiny things here. I want my smooth. You can blend it 1 time, 3 times, 5 times, but I love to blend mine 2 times. So I'm going to put it again so that it can go again for another 55 seconds while I'm enjoying myself, soaking in, trying to see what the Deluxe system Ninja can do. Okay, let's go one more time. Voila, it's done. I did 2 cycles. Now my pear banana smoothie is done. What I need to do now is to turn it off, because they recommend when you finish, just turn it off. And I need to get my cup. Make sure you release this thing to unlock it. Now it's unlocked. I will lift this thing up. Look at that. And I make sure I rinse this thing in my sink, so I don't want it to sticky, okay? But I'm going to put it here in now. So I finished the video. So our smoothie is done. Also, they recommend you remove this shredding knife from here. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. I'm going to put it here before I rinse it immediately. We put it here. And now our smoothie is ready. So what you're going to do, you're going to anti-clockwise retwist it so it can open. See? It can open. You don't want to fight with it. It's open. My smoothie is done. Look at it. Banana, pears from our garden is ready. So I need to get a cup, also unplug from the wall. I can open my drawer. I have so many cups here, but I love these ones here. So I'm going to serve myself and my hubby, because we are the only one today here. So it's mine and my hubby. My kids are not here, so they are in school. So we are going to serve ourselves. So I'm going to I love these cups because they're humongous. So I'm going to serve my hubby here, and also I'm going to serve myself. These actually can be breakfast, it can be lunch, it can be a snack later, so you decide. So, and we have more that after we finish, we are going to add this when we finish. So guys, this is how you use the Ninja Deluxe system, okay? Cheers! So let me take it to my hubby so that we can enjoy. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Seriously, make sure you subscribe, comment, share my videos, and new subscribers welcome. Share my videos so everybody can join this family. So the next time I'm going to show you how to use the single system, okay? This one, the single serving. So we are going to use the single serving. But for now, ciao from my mini kitchen area to you guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next video.